All right, Jamie, is a local church above the law when it comes to keeping the public safe despite repeated COVID-19 violations? Greater Grace Church on the northwest side not giving in to police orders when they showed up last night. WMER2 News' Dave Detling has more outside the megachurch for us tonight.
Well, it appears God is in control of public safety here at this church, and that the church is calling all the shots despite repeated visits from city agencies, multiple COVID-19 safety violations, and an order to close.
This is not a bar room. This is not Home Depot. This is not a bowling alley. This is not the Baltimore Oriole Stadium. What's that called? Camden Yards. This is not. This is a church. This is a church. This is a church. When we come in here, God is in charge.
That's Greater Grace Church Senior Pastor Thomas Shaler preaching at services Wednesday night despite Sunday's order by Baltimore City to shut down.
I am nothing without you.
During the service, people performed on stage, some in masks, some without. The senior pastor preached despite city agencies, including the health department and police outside. Listen to a dispatch call when they arrived on scene around 7:30.
Stand off with some armed security who are refusing to let us in. I have a health department here, housing department. They're supposed to be closed down. They were closed down earlier. They reopened, and we need to get all the people out.
Services continued to conclusion. Now the city health department has an even larger investigation on its hands to see if any criminal citations are warranted. Body cam footage from last night's call may also be reviewed. As for public comment from Greater Grace, silence has been its only stance. But Pastor Shaler did make this indirect comment at the end of his sermon.
And we don't apologize for it. No apology. No apology to anybody. You make your decision. And that's how it is. We are compliant as much as we possibly can be in a reasonable way. We have been. That's been proven through the year.
And a conference call including the mayor's office, the Department of Health, as well as the police department was held this afternoon. We're waiting to hear back from a city spokesperson as to where this closure stands. On the city's northeast side, Dave Detling, WMAR 2 News.